Hi there, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the appearance and styling of the widget and template. So here I have a normal weekly planner open, and when you go to styling you see that there are a few submenus. So under neutral you'll find all the neutral styles. So you see that on the right there are different menus for stylings, and when you click on each of them the styling of the widgets will change. And these are the neutrals. Then we also have minimals with minimal lines. Usually they don't have an outline. So this is how they look like. And then we also have decorative, which are stylings that are that have more lines and look more complex, like these ones here. So these are all the decorative stylings. And then there also are bold styles, so this is how they look like, with thicker outlines compared to the neutral ones. Now let's quickly go back to neutral and let me apply the original style. So that's our default style. Now from here, if you only want to change individual widgets, what you can do is you can click on it and you can go back to styling and have two selected widgets selected, and now you can change the styling of just one widget you have selected. So for example here I have the to-do list selected, and now if I select a different widget style it will change the styling and apply the styling just to this selected widget, like here. And then to change the colors of the widgets and stylings, you can go to color, and here you see three different kinds of colors. The outline color is the color around the widget, the header color is the color of the headers of the widget, and then the line colors is the color of the line within the widget. So you can also choose a color from the color palette and then select a color combination like here. Or you can also choose your own colors by clicking here on these color dots and then selecting, for example, a new outline color, a new header color, and a different line color like this. So this was how to change the stylings of the widgets, or how you can change individual widgets stylings. And if you have any questions, you can always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Thank you, bye!